Hey everyone, we can save money on NordVPN by using a coupon or promo code. This is the easiest way to get a discount. In this video, we will show how to set up a coupon step by step so the discount can be applied right away. Today, we will show how to apply a coupon or promo code during NordVPN checkout. This will help us get the best discount legally and securely. Now let's get started. NordVPN offers promotional codes. These codes give discounts or sometimes add an extra 3 months when we buy a subscription plan. We use these codes during checkout to lower the cost of a 2-year or 1-year plan. Coupons help us save money on our subscriptions, making the service more affordable. Coupons also encourage people to try or renew NordVPN accounts, give special deals, and provide a reason to choose NordVPN over other options. Let's go through the process together, so even if we're new, we can follow along. First, we open the browser and go to nordvpn.com. Once we are on the page, we look for Get NordVPN. This is in the upper right or lower left part of the main page. We click it to continue. We click Get NordVPN. For example, if we pick a plan, Basic, Plus, or Complete, we can select the Get Plus plan. We click this. When we are on the checkout page, we look in the upper right for Got Coupon. We click this and enter the code here. After we enter the code, click Apply. Then we fill in all the forms, choose the payment method, and finish the purchase. That's how we set up a coupon on NordVPN. Using a coupon helps us get the best value on our subscription while still enjoying full VPN protection. We should enter the code carefully and double-check the discount before we finish the purchase. Stay smart, stay secure.